In this video, we're going to recontour and polish a restoration. The first thing we need to do is check where to recontour the restoration. In this case, we have some excess on the lingual aspect of the restoration. And also the marginal ridge is a bit high. We need to remove any flash of bond that may be present. With the medium fine polishing disc, we will recontour the lingual, barcal, and occlusal embrasure. With the multiple blade burr, we are removing the excess that we found with the probe. Pay attention that you're touching the restoration and not the tooth. You can also contour the restoration with a tapered diamond. Once we're happy with the margins and the anatomy, we can start polishing. We are polishing the occlusal surface with a Shofu polishing tip. Press gently while you're polishing because you'll damage the restoration or the tooth. Check that your polishing point is following the inclined planes of the cusp. We can polish the embrasures with a polishing cup. This may not be necessary if you have ideal embrasures with a disc. And this is the final restoration.